Welcome to the world of Qigong. I am the Grandmaster of Blue Dragon Medical Qigong. My name is Dr. George Xavier Love, and I'm here to invite you on a journey of self-discovery. I've been teaching Qigong for 37 years, and now we have an opportunity in this next 12 months to go to 5 retreats where you can receive your certification in medical Qigong. The first location is going to be in Aruba, March 11th through the 18th. The second location is going to be in Belize, June 2nd through the 9th. Why am I focusing on the locations of Barbados in August and Maui in November and Miami Beach in January 2022 rather than what you're going to learn? Because I've been teaching for so long and I have over 300 videos on YouTube, and you can find everything you want about what you're going to learn by clicking the link below. But I'm inviting you on an adventure to get out of the United States, to get out of your comfort zone, and to learn in a foreign country, in the Caribbean, where you can experience the sun, the sand, the sea, and how to heal yourself. These retreats are every 10 weeks. In 5 retreats, you can be certified in medical Qigong through the Blue Dragon Qigong Academy. I'm Dr. George Xavier Love.